Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a large format camera. First, let's understand the core parts. You'll need to gather materials such as sturdy wood, a flexible bellows, and a suitable lens. Planning your design is crucial, considering the film size you intend to use, perhaps 4 by 5 inches, and the lens's focal length. This initial preparation ensures a smooth building process and a functional camera. Now, let's dive into the essential components. You'll construct the front standard, which firmly holds your lens board. Next, build the rear standard, designed to securely house both the ground glass and the film holder. A critical element is the bellows. It must be perfectly light-tight to prevent any unwanted light from reaching your film. These 3 parts form the backbone of your large format camera. With your components ready, it's time for assembly. Precision is key here. Carefully join the front and rear standards, ensuring all measurements are accurate. Then, attach the bellows securely to both standards, making absolutely certain there are no light leaks. Finally, mount your lens board and ground glass. This step allows for accurate focusing and composition, bringing your camera to life. After assembly, rigorous testing is essential. Take your camera into a completely dark room and use a bright light source to check for any light leaks. Next, verify the focus accuracy across the entire ground glass, ensuring sharpness from edge to edge. Make any necessary adjustments to the standards or bellows. This final refinement ensures your handmade large format camera produces beautiful, high-quality images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.